You can spot the missed building immediately. So since I spot it, I'll capture it also immediately. And that's it. No more missed, right? Then I can go ahead and submit because you can easily see the houses lined up.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, hindi po kayo naka-share screen.
Sorry, hindi niyo pala nakita. No. So this is the task I got earlier. So as you can see, it's all lined up, right? The houses and so on. Then I will see here a space. After all the buildings have been lined up, there's a space in between. So that's the place I will focus on. And then if it's a building, then I'll capture it like this one. And zoom out, then no more buildings, then submit. Same here, press the tilde key. All houses have been lined up. Follow them, and then there's a space, no space, then submit. So these are just one of the ways how I check tasks. That's why I can easily spot those missed buildings. For this one, it's a bit scattered. So we have to move.
No, that's you like location.
Okay, this one, we can't say it's a building because, again, it's a fake building, just delete it. Same here. It's a fake building. It's clear fake building. So again, just delete those that are recognizable as a fake building. Again, use the tilde key. So I can see houses have been lined up. Okay, this one is ambiguous. So I can see a car, but I think this is a driveway for this. There's no need for me to fix. It's a residential area or a residential building. Okay, this one, guys, it's a ground. So you can see it's a clear intersection. So please delete. Okay, for this one, use the tilde key, switch off the mask, follow the houses, or you can switch it on because there are some other buildings. It's gonna make me confused. Driveway, as you can see, guys, there's a driveway, right? We can see the driveway clearly, correct? Now the houses have been lined up. So I can see here a small house in front of the driveway or at the end. So you can see that. Again, tilde key, just follow the line of houses. This is an error, or it's not even, this is the building already captured in red. So I can delete this one. It's a fake building. All good. It's okay if your name is not on the list. Newbie Venus. Any questions, guys? Clarifications? So you see, if you use the tilde key, that's one way for you to show the mask. And then switch off the mask so that what's left are the buildings. Last task, guys. I'm just following the houses. So that's how fast I can check.
Right on your hand. Yeah, near. Okay.
That's why there are some people asking how can I find those houses? That's one technique I learned in even ask Adam.
Done.
Questions, guys. Hello, guys. Sorry, I got disconnected. But anyway, were you able to follow?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How about the guys outside of the Philippines? Were you able to understand me clearly?
Yes, we
Let's
did.
answer some of the questions. Bert. All right, good. Uh, Bert's question, is it okay to pass the task even if you didn't do anything? If there's nothing to fix in the task, then submit. All right? Questions? Further questions, guys? Concerns, clarifications? All clear? Are we sure, guys? It's all clear. So the goal is 4,000 buildings per hour. I'm pretty sure we can hit at least 80% of that. So 80%, that's 3,200, if I'm not mistaken. So we can do this team. Okay? So remember, if you guys fail, we fail as a team. So let's make sure we hit it. All right? Okay. Thank you, guys. Good day.
Good day
Thank
too.
you, sir.
Please,
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.